See types. Now types of integers. Types of integer: positive integers. Positive integer nothing but counting number 1 to infinite. Negative integers: -1, -2, -3, -4 up to minus infinite. Non-negative integers. Three types of integers. Non-negative integers. 0 is also number, but 0 is neither positive nor negative. 0 is number. We know 0 is a number, but 0 is not a positive number, not a negative number. So we can say 0 is non-negative numbers. Non-negative means neither positive nor negative. See, we cannot write like this: +0, -0. See, we can see here +0. Have you seen like this written in any book, any copy? No. Have you seen like this written -0? No. So if it is nothing, 0 means nothing. If it is nothing, so why we are going to write +0? Why we are going to substitute -0? No, that's not meaning of this. It's meaningless. So 0 we are writing means only 0. So 0 is neither positive nor negative. Now the third topic, second topic. This is the first topic. Topic name is integers and types of integers. So second topic will be coming into integers on the number line. Integers on the number line. Hello. Second topic, integers on the number line. See, all of you know number line. You know how to denote number line. So we are drawing one number line and we are writing. And if you don't denote natural numbers, you start from 1 to infinite, positive infinite. And if you are going to denote whole numbers, starting from 0 to infinite. So now integers on the number line. How to integers plot on the number line? You know already how to plot natural numbers on the number line. Natural numbers started from 1, so you write it 1 to infinite, 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Whole numbers you always start from 0, so you are plotting on the number line starting from 0. Now similarly, integers on the number line also same. You know already, this is the combination of positive integers, negative integers, and including one 0. So we are keeping in number line. If you draw one number line, we are keeping 0 in middle, 0 in middle, and positive numbers right side of the 0, negative number negative number left side of the 0. So simply suppose 0 is here, suppose 0 is here. So this side all positive integers, this side all negative integers. 0 in middle. So that is the reason in number line, on the number line, 0 is in the middle. So that is the reason 0 is neither positive nor negative. And if you are going to walk from 0 to, so that is positive number. If you are walking from left side, so negative numbers. So see here what I written here: 0, 1, 2, 3, positive infinite, plus infinite. Here -1, -2, -3 up to -infinite. Suppose you are here in 0. You started from journey from here 0, then 1 kilometer, then 2 kilometer, then 3 kilometer like this. You are going to, right? If you are going to at back, suppose your home is here, and if you are going to back, so you are going back side, -1, -2, -3 like this. So that is the reason 0 is in 0. Number 0 is in middle of the number line. So that is the reason we are saying non-negative integers. And positive integers means 1, 2, 3. Negative integer means -1, -2, -3, dot. So that is the reason we cannot say 0.1. If it is in middle, 0.1 is there also, 0.2 also. 0.1 is not an integer. 0.2 is not an integer. This is decimal number. So decimal numbers never integers. Counting numbers integer, positive integers. So 1/2 also not an integer. This is fraction numbers. So don't say this is integer. So if I say my example series, write integers between -3 to 3. So if I want to write integers between -3 to 3, so see how many is there? -2. See, -1, 0, 1, 2. Last is 2. This is how many integers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in between minus 3 to 3, total 5 integers are there. How many integers are there? Total 5. So like this we are calculating, and this is very very important concept, integers on the number line. You should know how to plot integers on the number line. So you already know the smallest positive integer is, what is the smallest positive integer? Smallest positive integer, 1. 1 is the smallest positive integer. Smallest positive integer. What is the greatest negative integer? Greatest. This is the greatest negative integer, minus 1. So minus 1 is the greatest negative integer. Like this. See, every positive, suppose 1, 2, 3, every positive number is greater than the 0. Every positive number is greater than the 0. Is correct? Yes, every positive number is greater than the 0. 1 is always greater than 0. So every positive number is greater than the 0. Every negative number is greater than the 0. Every positive number is greater than the 0. But every negative number what? Greater than the, every positive integer is greater than the, every negative, see here, first every positive numbers 0 to 3. So in 0 to 3, positive integers, here 0 to minus 3 is the negative integers. So every positive integer is greater than the every negative integers. Every positive integers is greater than the every negative integers. Because this is the back side and this is the, say, forward. See, 1 हमेशा -1 से बड़ा होगा. See, what is the opposite of 1? -1. What is the opposite of 2? -2. What is the opposite of 3? -3. So like this we are plotting on the number line. So till then we are going to start next term, number 4. Till then we are going to wind up. Third topic will be operation on the integers. Operation on the integers.